Hi friends, once again back to my channel. E-filing of Form 15H on new income tax portal. There are so many changes on the new income tax portal regarding the filing of forms. In this video, we are going to e-file Form 15H on new income tax portal. After a long struggle with the new income tax portal, I have developed a utility to upload to the new income tax portal. I am Sabu Joseph. Welcome to SVJ Academy. Hundreds of practical videos relating to accounting profession as well as other accounting classes are available in my channel. Kindly watch and drop your comments. Before going to the e-filing process, we can just go through what is Form 15H, who can give Form 15H, what are the incomes covered under Form 15H, how to prepare Form 15H by using Excel utility, and finally how can we e-file the Form 15H or 15G on new income tax portal. These are the topics we are going to cover. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and watch till end. It will be very useful for you. You can file the declarations online from your office. First of all, what is Form 15H? Form 15H is a self-declaration for the non-deduction of TDS from some specified incomes. Who can submit Form 15H? Form 15H can be filed by the resident individual only, aged 60 years or above. We can call them as resident senior citizens. So they can be submitted by only a resident senior citizen for the non-deduction of TDS from some specified income. The tax calculated on your total income is to be nil. If these two conditions are satisfied, you can submit Form 15H. What are the incomes covered under Form 15H? Payment of accumulated balance due to an employee, interest on securities, dividends, interest other than interest on securities, insurance commission, payment in respect of life insurance policy, payment in respect of deposits under National Savings Scheme, NSC, rent, EPF withdrawal, post office deposits. These are the examples for the incomes that you can give Form 15H. Now we have seen what is Form 15H, who can submit Form 15H, and what are the incomes covered under Form 15H. Now come to the practical session. How can we prepare Form 15H? This is the Excel utility I have already developed for preparing the Form 15H. This is the company master, your company name, TAN number, proprietor, director, partner, whose name we can give here, and the TAN number, designation, financial year, assessment year, your address. All these informations are the master data that can be used while preparing the Form 15H. So this is the master data relating to your establishment. After converting the master data of the company, we can go to the declarant details. So under declarant details, you can enter n number of declarants. Here you can see around 632 declarations we received. So all the declarants' name will be given here, and their PAN, date of birth, their address details, and town, state, PIN code, email ID, mobile number. All these are the basic data relating to the declarant. Afterwards, here we have to mention the assessment year. From the drop-down list, we can select the type of income, the income source, and the estimated income, the dates on which the income has been paid or credited, the rate of interest, date of declaration, income relating to the previous quarter, total number of Form 15H given on the previous quarter, and the aggregate amount of the income, and the identification number. This identification number will be your ledger number, your ledger folio number, ledger name, like that. Then the unique identification number. So all these data we have to fill. The UIN will be created automatically. After completing this master sheet of declarants, go to the Form 15H. You can simply scroll here the names. The 15H form will be automatically generated. See here, the form is automatically generated. So no need to prepare the form 15H manually. No need to keep a separate file for the form 15H. You can prepare any number of form 15H within fraction of seconds, just a scroll. So all the 15H form will be created automatically. You can go through the print preview. This is the front page of the form 15H and this is the second page of the form 15H. So everything will be created automatically. Now we seen the how to prepare the form 15H by using the Excel utility. This is not our topic. Our topic is how to e-file the form 15H. For e-filing the form 15H on the earlier income tax portal, we have the Java utility to prepare the XML file to upload to the income tax portal. This is the old Java based ITD e-filing utility. Here we can give the TAN number, then select the quarter, the financial year, filing type. Here on the basic details, we can either fill the data by hand or we can import the CSV. Now see the basic details of the declarants imported to the Java utility within a fraction of a second by using my utility, and also the income details also we can import. Now everything is imported within fraction of seconds. This is the utility we used on the old income tax portal. Now the Java support not available on the new income tax portal. There is no Java utility and there is no XML upload in new income tax portal. So we have to use a template for creating the CSV file. By using that CSV file, we can upload the same to the income tax portal. So here I will show how to upload the CSV file to the income tax portal. For that, first of all, log in to the income tax portal. Here we have to use the login user ID as the TAN number instead of PAN number. Before that, you have to register your TAN number on the income tax portal. After registering the TAN number on the income tax portal, we can use here the user ID as tax deduction account number, TAN number, instead of PAN number, permanent account number. So how to register TAN number on the income tax portal? I have already uploaded a video. You go through that video. You can register your TAN number on the income tax portal. Now I am going to log in to the income tax portal by using the TAN number. Now we log into the income tax portal. Here under the e-file tab, we can see income tax forms. Under income tax forms, file income tax forms. Open the file income tax forms. Here you can see so many forms. Under here 15CA, 15G, 15EH. Now we have to e-file 15H. So click on file now. Here how we are going to file, whether it is online or offline. The offline mode, which is not working on the new income tax portal till today. So we are going to e-file the declaration online. So select online, then select the financial year, then select the quarter. Then click on continue. Declaration for claiming receipt without reduction of tax, individuals above 60 years. Let's start it. Basic and income details. Click here. Now here you can see download CSV template. You can use this template for filling the data. Open the template. This is the template given. 27 header fields are there. We have to fill all these details to this CSV file, and this CSV file we can upload here. Attach CSV file here. Now the question is, you have 100 declarations. How can you fill all these 27 fields manually? It will take a lot of time. There is a chance for error. If any error happens when you upload the file, you will get an error message. So it is very crucial to fill the data perfectly. All the data should be as per the given format. When we fill the data manually of each declarant, there is a chance for any mistake in any declarant data. It will show error, and again it will lead to a lot of time to find out the error and to rectify the error. I am using an Excel based utility for creating the master data of declarants. From this master data we will get all the details. We downloaded the CSV template. The same template I have included to my utility. This is the Form 15H basic details template. This is the format given by the Income Tax Department. That format we downloaded now. What we have to do? Just copy the data from our template to the CSV file we downloaded now. Then paste here. Now the data is filled. If you have one declaration and if you have 1000 declarations, both will take only fraction of seconds. Now we copied the data to the CSV file format given by the Income Tax Department. Now you can attach that CSV file here. So click on attach file, select the CSV file we created now, basic detail. Now without any error the file attached here with. Afterwards we have to upload the income details. For uploading the income details, one more CSV template given. Download that CSV template. This is the CSV template for the income details. In our utility, I have also included the same templates for the income details. Just copy the data from here and paste to the file we downloaded now. Now our income details is ready. Go to the income tax portal again. Here you can attach the income details CSV file. So click on attach file, select the file. Now both the basic details and the income details CSV file attached here without any error. If there is any error, it will show the error one by one, and it is very time consuming to fix the error, because here you can see instructions to file CSV template. You can download this instruction manual. This is the instruction manual given by the Income Tax Department. You can go through this manual. The details given on the manual and on the template given are different. So whatever it is, we created the file now. Now click on save. Basic and income details completed. Now click on preview. Basic details CSV file attached. Income details CSV file attached. Now proceed to e-verify. Before moving to the e-verification and final submission, we have to register the DSC of the authorized signatory of the company. For registering the DSC, we have to log into the Income Tax portal by using their PAN number, and there you can see an option to update the DSC. Update the DSC on their personal income tax account. Afterwards, you log into the portal by using the TAN number. Now already I have activated the DSC, just I informed you. Then click on proceed to e-verify. Are you sure to want to proceed to e-verify? Yes. How do you want to e-verify? I would like to verify using digital signature. Only one option is here. Only DSC. Select the DSC option, then click on continue. Now verify with the digital signature certificate. Attach DSC for PAN so and so. I have downloaded and installed EM Signer utility. If you don't have EM Signer utility, you can download the EM Signer utility. After downloading the EM Signer utility, you have to open the EM Signer utility. This is the EM Signer utility. Here you can see the service status running, then hide it. Now again click on continue. If the EM Signer utility not activated, your signature never came here. Now the signature came here. Select the DSC provider name, then click on the certificate, then give the PIN of the DSC. After giving the PIN, click on sign. If the DSC is activated and valid, it will successfully verify or it will show an error. We can see, click on sign. Are you sure to want to submit the form? Yes. Now submitted successfully. Now we can download the acknowledgements. Click on here, download. We can see the acknowledgements for the e-filing of Form 15H. This is the acknowledgements. Now we successfully completed the Form 15H. I think you may got an idea about the Form 15H, how to prepare Form 15H and how to e-file Form 15H. If you want the utility, you can drop your comments along with your email ID, or you can simply send an email request to my email ID. I will share to you the utility. It will be very useful for you for future period. For every year, we have to prepare the Form 15G or 15H and we have to file the declaration. If you are really like the video, Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also drop your comments. The next video will be how to e-file the form 15G on the new income tax portal. Please subscribe and stay connected with me. You will get lot of practical important videos. You can use these utilities, methods, everything in your day-to-day work. So we can meet on next video. Till then, bye.